My name is Mia, and I started the clinical mental health counseling program beginning of 2023 and finished it end of 2024. Now I am working as a school guidance counselor. So as a school counselor, I work with high school students and help them out with different mental health issues, help connect them to resources that they might need, and help their days run smoothly. When I was in the program, I was working full-time and also taking classes, doing internship on top of that, and it was a challenge. It's definitely difficult to balance all of these different pieces of life, especially when you're expected to perform at a high level. But the support of the professors here at LVC, and just in my life as well, made it possible to get through the program. So some of the opportunities that I was able to take advantage of included not just some of the extra classes. There are classes like creative arts and counseling and really, really cool approaches to counseling that we get experience with. But there are also opportunities to present at conferences and to work with the professors in one-on-one or small group settings in order to really deepen the understanding that I had of what we were learning in the courses. There were so many different opportunities that we had access to, and the small class sizes felt very instrumental to the ability to develop the skills that I'm using now in my day-to-day life and in my work.